Hey YouTube, JW. Got a new knife in I want to show you guys. Been wanting to get this dude for a while. Finally grabbed one up. It is the 24 PG Grivory Paradox, which I'm sure most of you are familiar with. It's a kind of a Balisong butterfly knife clone, but it's not really either. I've already taken this out, but for the video I will take it back out of the box. People like to see it come out of the box. I do. So yeah, it came with this around it, which I already removed. They're serious about people hurting themselves with this, and I could see how you could do it. It comes with a large piece of literature about the paradox and how you operate and use it. And there it is. You can see it looks like a traditional. This is a, I know because I know people are going to ask. This is a clone of a Benchmade 42. A really good clone, actually. It was a M-Tech twist that Outlaw Cutlery made into basically a clone of a 42. And I got the prototype of this knife, actually. You can go back and find the video on it. Good knife. So yeah, looks like a butterfly knife, but you know, it doesn't actually function like one. I mean, it does, but you can't open it one-handed. It's a two-handed operation knife. But you say, why have a butterfly knife if you can't flip it? Well, I think it looks cool, but another thing is it's just a great design. Because once you get it open, I mean, it's rock solid, you know. It's not gonna, it's basically like a fixed blade knife once you get the knife open. Really like that blade design on there, kind of like a leaf barong type blade on there. Nice fit and finish. See, it has a pocket clip here, and like I said, you have to go like this to close it, and it is a tip up out of the box. You can see it's kind of doesn't close all the way flat. And that brings me to some other older knives that I wanted to show that I've showed in one of my Balisong videos before. It's not really a Balisong. This design is really most commonly referred to as the jeans knife. I've got 3 of them here. It's the same thing. It operates like a Balisong, but it takes 2 hands to open it. These knives were made for the made in Germany for the European market in the 1980s, 70s, and 80s. Called the jeans knife. Not a lot of information out there on them. This one is the coolest one I've got. This one kind of goes together more than the other one, but they're all basically the same. Super fly. I don't want to spend a lot of time on this because I'll go off on it. I got another one here, but same design. Okay, so it's nothing new, but yeah, really nice, awesome looking knife. You know, the most common one I guess would be the stainless steel handles, but I actually like the Grivory better, and it's, you know, quite a bit lighter. I'm actually going to use this knife and carry it Let me hit some of the specs here. There's a lot of reviews on this. It's been out for quite some time. You're looking at this is the 24 PG model. I believe there is a bigger model than this. Satin blade, 9.75 overall length, 4.5 blade length, AUS 8A steel, drop point style, hollow grind, 5-inch handle, polymer Grivory scales, 5.8 ounce weight, so it's a little hefty. Made in Taiwan, which there's nothing wrong with that. And it says the best use is everyday carry. So yeah, designed for tip up right hand user. And this information courtesy of Blade HQ. I did not get it from Blade HQ. I bought it from a guy off of eBay for $40. Kind of just one of those things, like I said, that I've been wanting for a while. And actually the other day I was looking at them, and they were out of stock on a lot of places, even on Cold Steel's website. So I went ahead and looked on eBay, and there it was. So yeah, fits in the hand great. Really like it. Great looking knife. And you know, you can have basically a butterfly knife. I mean, I like to flip, you know, but I don't necessarily carry my butterfly knives with me. I mean, it's cool to get it out and, you know, be able to flip it around, and it's fun. But for everyday carry with the laws and everything, it's nice to have this and just kind of have a utility. And this is, I mean, I think they had one that has a, what is this, has the 4.5-inch blade. I think they've got one with a 5.5-inch blade. And I don't know if I would want it any bigger than this. You can see medium to large size hands, and it's good large size carry for everyday use. I don't know if I got a piece of paper around here. I'm doing this video off the cuff here. It's sharp. It's sharp, which never had a Cold Steel product come in that wasn't razor sharp. So yeah, pretty cool. I just kind of fits my style good, and I'm real happy with it, honestly. I'm glad I decided to finally pick it up, and it's pretty cool, I must say. I think I like it better than even what I thought I was going to. So I appreciate you guys watching. Follow me on IG, Google Plus, the usual. Check me out on Instagram. Post a lot of good stuff on there. And Thanks for watching.